Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a network scanning related issues. When you are scanning on a network printer and you are getting an error message on the printer and it's not sending the scanned document to the client PC. So first of all, you need to check the error code on the printer. What error it is showing related to the scanning which you have done. So there could be three types of scanning when you are doing a network scanning, which is either you are using an IP address of the client PC to send the scanned document, or it could be the username and password. On the printer, you will store the PC name, then you use the username and password to the particular computer to send the document, or it could be the email address. Latest, everyone is using the email address to send the scanned documents. So these are mainly the three steps that you're mostly using to scan the document from your network printer. So on the third option that you're using a email address, the chances are very less to get an error message when you're scanning a document, because it's purely connected to the internet. Once you have configured, that's it, it won't change. If it is changing, then it is changing from the server. So you need to check on the server in case if you are getting any error message when you are sending through email. So when it comes to the first and second steps, like when you're using an IP address or username and password, then you need to check whether the IP address was changed or the username and password. In most of the organization, they will change the user ID and password. User ID remains the same, but the password they will change every 3 months or 2 months according to their policies. So you need to check with that whether the password is changed or the IP address of the system is changed. If it's changed, then you need to update it on the printer. And if it is not changed, then what you need to do is two settings from your Windows PC. The first one is just open up the control panel and then go to the network and sharing center. Go to the control panel, network and sharing center, then just click on the advanced sharing settings. Then you can see a few options are there. So you can see the private, guest and domain. If your laptop is connected to the domain, then you need to go to the domain settings and you need to turn on the network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing, which is required to send a document to a PC, because your PC should be uh, discovered on the network. So you need to turn on both the options and you can save the changes. Once it is done, you can also check for another option which is called Windows features. So on the search, you can type turn on Windows feature on or off. So just open it, and if you look here, you can see the option called SMP, and you need to turn on this as well for the uh, sharing on the network, mainly for the printer. So just click on this option and enable it. Once you enabled it, then now you are done with the troubleshooting. So you can check with the printer whether you are able to send the documents. Mostly this could be the issue when you are doing a scanning on the network printer and it gives the error, because in most of the cases I troubleshoot with these kind of issues in my organization. So you can also try with this and just let me know whether it is succeeded or you still having any issues. You can comment below. That will help me to identify more on this. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.